Hello, this is Rick Gupta with StruSim. This is an additional machine that we've added. It's kuka robot mounted on a rotary positioner on the top. Allows us to go through front and back workspaces. The conveyors have been hidden, but they're in-feed and out-feed. So we'll load in a sample beam, and notice here that you can go ahead and select the features that you want cut. Like if you don't want to cut the front end of this guy, turns red. That's the laser beam right there. You can decide if you want to cut all the holes or not, and that kind of thing. But when you're ready, then you tell it to run, and here you have a choice of both workspaces or all in front. So first I'm going to show both workspaces just to show what that looks like. I'm going to run it at fast speed. So basically what's going to happen is that it's going to cut the front end here, and it's going to go, let me just speed it up here. It's going to go through all the cuts, and then it's going to swing around and cut the back end when it gets to that position. So it's going to cut off the beam. It cuts the holes, the copes. It does some scribing on the side when it's pretty fast. It does these holes. And then here you can see that it comes around and does this other side. Okay, but we're going to stop that and let's import it again, but this time we're going to look at cutting it all in the front workspace. So we're going to cut it all in the front. And then we can see that what we'll do is we'll set up a camera on the reel cell, and we'll take a view of this from this angle, and then what we can do is play that back, and you'll see it'll intersperse the cutting with the real cutting. Scribing. And then here we see that it finishes up by cutting the entire beam in the front workspace. stock would be still being fed through here. All right. Let us know if you have any questions.